Hi, hello friends, welcome to T Academy. In this video, I am going to provide the model questions of Andhra Pradesh Grama Water Sachivalayam, Panchayat Secretary Grade 6 or Digital State model paper here. So friends, in my previous videos, I discussed the questions of model paper of Andhra Pradesh Grama Water Sachivalayam. So please go through it, and this is another model paper in which I am going to discuss the 50 questions from the computer science engineering background. Okay. Uh, First question here, the asymptotic average case time complexity of linear search algorithm is, okay, the options of O of n, O of n by 2, both none. So answer is A here. So A is the right answer, O of n. The linear search is also called as dash search. Okay, the options are quadratic, sequential, random, periodic. So the answer is sequential. Okay, next one, in a linear search after every iteration search space is reduced by reduced by. So for the third option, the options are n by 2, n minus 1, n minus 2, none here. So answer is n minus 1. And the fourth one here, in a binary search, previous cases linear search, now is a binary search. After every iteration search, space is reduced by, so it is n by 2. So in case of binary search, n by 2, in case of linear search, it is n minus 1 here. Now, which of the following problem solving technique used in binary search? Okay, the options are greedy approach, simple approach, divide and conquer, divide and rule approach. So answer for this question is divide and conquer. Next one, which of the following sorting algorithm magnitude of the time complexity is the same in dash all possible cases? In which of the following sorting algorithm the magnitude of the time complexity is the same in all in dash all possible cases? Okay, the options are quick sort, selection sort, insertion sort, bubble sort. So answer for this one is the selection sort. Option B is the right one. Next one, how many comparisons are needed to sort an array of length of 5 if the straight selection sort is used and array is already in opposite order? So I will repeat the question here. How many comparisons are needed to sort an array of length of 5 if if a straight selection sort is used and array is already in opposite order? So for the seventh question, it is a C is the right answer. Other options are 1, 5, 20. So bubble sort is also known as. So bubble sort is also known as. The options are quick selection, insertion, and sinking sort. So answer is sinking sort here. The bubble sort. Other name for the bubble sort is sinking sort. The following components of database except. ఓకే, సో డేటాబేస్ ద కాంపోనెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ. సో ఎక్సెప్ట్ అంటే ఏది కాకుండా మిగతానే ఉన్నాయని. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ వచ్చి మనకు యూజర్ డేటా వస్తుంది, మెటా డేటా వస్తుంది, ఇండెక్స్ వస్తాయి. సో మనకు రానిది ఏంటంటే మనకు రిపోర్ట్స్ అనమాట. సో సిక్స్త్ క్వశ్చన్కి నైన్త్ క్వశ్చన్కి ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఆర్ ద కాంపోనెంట్స్ ఆఫ్ ద డేటాబేస్ ఎక్సెప్ట్ రిపోర్ట్స్. ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ సి. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, periodically adding, changing, deleting the file records is called as dash file. So options are updating, upgrading, reconstructing, renewing. So answer is updating. Next one, 11th question here. So what Oracle backup and recovery file contains user and system data? I'm repeating the question. What Oracle backup and recovery file contains user system data? So answer for this question, the options are control file, data file, online redo file, offline redo file. The answer is B, data file. Next one, the default extension for an Oracle SQL star plus file is. Okay, so the answer for this question is it is .xql. Okay, other options are ORA, PLS, TXT. And the 13th question here, as you can see, the data independency model in DBMS is known as data. Okay, so the options are modeling, hiding, capturing, and consistency. The answer is modeling. Next one, rollback in a database is dash colon which statement? So rollback in a database is which statement? The answer is TCL. Okay, the other options are DCL, DML, DDL. Okay, Next one, which normal form is considered adequate for a relational database design? Okay, the answers are 2NF, 3NF, 4NF and BCNF. The answer is 3NF. Next one, map entities, attributes and relations in the Oracle is represented by dash schema. Okay, the options are conceptual, logical, physical, D all. So answer is logical. Next one, the 17th question, the fork is the dispatching of a task, the creation of a new task, the creation of a new process and D all. So answer is C. Next one, the bug means. So bug means it is a virus, a logical error in a program, a default syntax error, D none. So for the 18th one is bug is nothing but a logical error in a program. Next one, 19th question here, the quantum is defined in which scheduling algorithm? Okay, the quantum is defined in which of the following scheduling algorithms? So the options are FIFO, round robin, primary, HF. So it is defined in round robin scheduling algorithm. Next one, to avoid the race condition, the number of processes that may be simultaneously inside their critical section is. So to avoid the race condition, the number of processes that may take simultaneously inside their critical section is. So how many the options are? That is A 8, B 1 and C 16, D 0. So answer is 1 here. Next one, 21 question here. What problem is solved by Banker's algorithm? Mutual extension, deadlock recovery, deadlock avoidance, cache coherence. So answer is deadlock avoidance. Next one, dash pages out, pages that have been least recently used. So LRU algorithm, Robin round, both, none. Okay, the answer is LRU algorithm. Next one, 23rd question, the LIFO algorithm executes first the job that dash. Okay, the options are last entered data queue, first enter the queue, C both, D none. For 25th question, the first entered the queue, so B. Next one, a program which interprets each line of high level program at the time of execution is called. So it is called interpreter. Next one, the function is used in the program that are defined by the programmers are called. So the options are program layout, program procedure, built-in functions, and the last one is user defined functions. So it is user defined functions. Next one, the assembler translates. Okay, what assemblers will do? So assemblers will going to be translates assembly codes into an machine code. Okay, so answer is B here. Next one, 27th question, the statement basic language 150 if a1 is equal to a2, then comparison dollar symbol is equal to colon equal is an example of dash statement. Okay, the options are if then, if else, then else, else. So answer is if then. Next one, when the variable is used in the program is a whole number, then the variable is stored as. Okay, the options are fixed string, integers, negative whole number, positive whole number. So answer is B, integers. Next one, the programming language which is used for the scientific purpose and the work is to be done in the batches is. The options are Pascal, Fortran, Logo, COBOL. So answer is Fortran. And the 30th question here, the third component in algorithm is classified as data repetition, statement repetition, selection, starting order of the operation. So answer is selection, B here, sorry, C here. And the next, the IP address 135.0.10.27 belongs to the address class. So which address class? It is class B. Other options are class A, class C, class D. Next one, 32nd question, an HTTP request contains how many parts? Okay, so it having 3 parts here. Other options are 2, 4, 5. Next one, 33rd question, which of the following uses UDP as a transport protocol? Okay, So it is options are HTTP, Telnet, DNS, SMTP. Answer is Telnet here. Next one, which of the following ISO level is more closely related to the physical communication facilities? Okay, so application, session, network and data line. Okay, 34 D is the right answer, data line. Next one, store and forwarding mechanism is used in dash switching. So packet, message, circuit, data, gram. So answer is message, B is the right answer. Next one, 36 question, the default subnet mask for a class B network can be. Okay, so for this question the answer is 255.255.0.0. answer is B here. Next one, to interconnect two IP classes, class C and class C networks dash. Okay, so a bridge is needed, a class B network is needed, a router is needed, and D is none. So for this option is a router is required or needed. Next one, Telnet is a dash based computer protocol. Okay, so sound, text, image, digit. So 38 it's a text, B. Next one, the packets are found at which layer? Okay, physical, data link, application, network. So answer is network layer. Next one, 40th one, which of the following program will give the output? So what will be the output of this program here? So in this program is there void colon main int I is equal to 44 printf slash n %lc %d comma I close the brackets. Now for this program if you done, what will be the output? So option A is error, option B is 48 comma 48 space 48, option C is 1 space 48, option D is 0 space 48. So the answer for the 40th question is we get it as a 0 space 48 here. Next there is another program, 41 program here. So what is the output of the above program? So void main int x is equal to 10, y is equal to 20, printf %n %ld, printf slash n %ld comma x comma y. So what is the output of the above program? The options are A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, C is 10 comma 10 space 20, and D is syntax error. So for the 41 question the output is output is A is 10. Next one, a static or a stack organized computer has which of the following instructions? Okay, instructions. So what are the instructions they are having? So they are in address. So options are 0 address, 1 address, 2 address, 3 address. Okay, so it is having a 0 address. Next one, the cache memory is used to transfer the data between the dash memory. So options are main and second memory, process and main memory, processor and secondary memory, and processor and output memory. Okay, the answer is processor and main memory. So cache memory is used to transfer the data between primary and main memory. Next to 44th question here, that the combination of two or more networks are called. Okay, the combination of two or more networks are called, but the options are internet work, WAN, MAN, LAN. The options are there. So correct option is internet work. Okay, internet work. A multi-point topology is a multi-point topology thing, but the options are bus, star, mesh, ring. So correct answer is A, bus. A communication pathway that transfers the data from one point to another point is called. Okay, so the options are link, node, medium, topology. Answer is A, link. Okay, so A link is the answer. Next one, the internet access is provided by dash. The options are WAN, LAN, MAN, none. So option C is 47th, A, WAN. Okay, next one, synopsis of the rule is dash. So options are standard, protocol, forum, agency. So 48 question, protocol here. Okay, next one, the elapsed time between an inquiry and a response is called dash time. Okay, so transit, delay, programming, response. Answer is response here. And the last question for this session, the bus comma ring comma star topologies are mainly used in the, so it is they are used in the options are LAN, WAN, both, none. The correct option is LAN here. So that's it friends. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.